Would you rather eat the same meal for the rest of your life or never use Instagram again?
If I could take you up in life could be a dream, sweetheart.
You got it all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa, your mama Burundi, my African star, baby. Na umeumbwa ukaumbika, yeah. Good morning.
Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cokes, and welcome back to another vlog. How are we doing today? I am the happiest when I just post a new video, so that is my mood right now. So if you haven't watched my video, click the link in my description box. Let's get this ministry moving. Also, I'm low-key tired of showing you guys clips of me washing plates in almost every vlog, but you see, we're in quarantine and there's not really much to film, so yeah, I'll try not to include that in this vlog, but if you see it, I'm really sorry. Also, today is my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. Wishing you long life and prosperity. He doesn't watch my vlogs, but I'm just sending this out, putting this out, so happy birthday, Dad. So I'll be going to my house later to see my daddy and to see my siblings as well. So this is what like after editing, so I'm just going to try my best to sort it out. Alright people, so while I clean, I'm going to be listening to my new favorite podcast called I Said What I Said. I featured it in my last vlog. Let's get this party started.
Give me something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove.
Something to tell my dad, and he listened. And in retrospect, I understand that he didn't listen just because.
Can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait?
So it is lunchtime. So for today's menu, we have a starter and we have the primary dish, which is the main course. So the starter today would be chicken and corn soup, and I've actually never made one before. Today is actually my first time. Wait, let me actually rest. So for the starter, I'll be making chicken corn soup, and for the primary dish, I'll be making pineapple fried rice. And I would actually like to apologize because this recipe or the menu has been long overdue. I've gotten quite a number of messages from the last time I posted it. Look at when I'm doing it. But anyways, better late than never, right? Let's get to cooking. So this is the chicken breast boiled, about to be shredded. So over here we have our ingredients. Here we have the shredded chicken, and here we have the corn. We have our stock cornstarch mix, corn, spring onions for garnishing, some spices and all of that.
Like the cool blue
light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
Just ignore the way I look. So I missed the Nato C and MI's live, but thank God MI saved it. So I'm currently catching up. And can I just say, MI and Nato C, they're two of the best rappers in Nigeria, hands down. Hey guys, so I'm done watching the live and I'm finding it difficult to sleep. So since you guys really liked my never have I ever challenge in my last vlog, I figured I would do another type of challenge in this vlog. It's called Would You Rather. So I'm just going to answer 5 questions and then I would move to editing. So yeah, anyway, I was able to get from Google. Okay, the first one is, would you rather give up your phone or only wear Crocs for the rest of your life? It's pretty easy. I will wear Crocs for the rest of my life. Please, I need my phone for a lot of things. So definitely going to be wearing Crocs for the rest of my life. Would you rather have to be naked at work for an hour or be dropped off 2 miles from your house whilst you're naked and you have to try to get home? Being naked at work, that is just going to be a disaster. I think I will be naked at work, but I'll run to the toilet. Yeah, I'll run to the toilet because it's just 1 hour, right? Okay, so the next question is, would you rather eat the same meal for the rest of your life or never use Instagram again? And guys, as much as I love Instagram, I would choose to never use Instagram again because I have YouTube. I definitely love YouTube more than I love Instagram, but it's weird because I post on Instagram more than I do on YouTube. So yeah, I would choose to never use Instagram again because, like, how would I eat one meal for the rest of my life? Like, that is just crazy. Wow. No, I'm a foodie. Like, in case you don't know, I am a foodie. Would you rather wear a push-up bra all day long every day or stiletto heels all day long every day? For me, I'll choose a push-up bra all day long every day because it's pretty obvious. If you know, you know. Would you rather live one life that lasts 1,000 years or live 10 lives that last 100 years each? And I would live 10 lives that last 100 years each. So that is it for my would you rather question. I really like you guys to answer as well, so write down your answer in the comments. I would love to read them all. With that said, I'm going to be ending the vlog for the night here. I'm just going to go straight to edit. So yeah, bye. Also, lunch. 6 a.m. guys.